Most drivers think all premium synthetic oils are basically the same. Same viscosity, same certifications, same promises on the label. But once you start digging into real lab testing, used oil analysis reports, and long-term engine data, the gap between Mobil 1 Extended Performance and Pennzoil Ultra Platinum gets a lot more interesting than the marketing wants you to believe. One oil is built around surviving brutally long drain intervals. The other is engineered for ultra-clean performance and extreme temperature stability. Both are excellent, but they do not behave the same once real heat, stress, and mileage enter the picture. And by the end of this video, one of these oils will clearly make more sense for your engine than the other. Starting with wear protection, because this is where most drivers assume expensive oil automatically means better protection. But the numbers tell a more nuanced story. Independent 4-ball wear testing shows both oils performing extremely well, but Mobil 1 Extended Performance consistently trends slightly lower in wear scar results. We're talking around 0.38 to 0.4 millimeters compared to Pennzoil's 0.4 to 0.43. That difference sounds tiny, and honestly for most daily drivers it is, but here, where things get interesting. When thousands of real used oil analyses are compared side by side, Mobil 1 often shows slightly lower iron wear metals during long drain intervals, especially after 8,000 to 10,000 miles. That tells us something important. Mobil 1 seems engineered to hold its protection together a little better as the miles pile up. But then Pennzoil fires back in a completely different category. Deposit control. This is where Pennzoil's PurePlus gas-to-liquid base oil actually starts backing up the marketing hype. Independent deposit testing consistently shows Pennzoil leaving behind less carbon and sludge under high heat conditions. And that matters more than most people realize, because modern turbocharged engines absolutely hate deposits. Especially direct injection engines. Carbon buildup, sticky piston rings, clogged turbo oil passages. These are the problems that slowly destroy engines long before most drivers notice anything is wrong. So while Mobil 1 slightly leans toward long-term wear durability, Pennzoil leans toward keeping the engine cleaner internally over time. And honestly, this is where the comparison stops being simple. Because now we move into oil stability, and this is where the personalities of these two oils become very obvious. Mobil 1 Extended Performance starts with a noticeably higher TBN, which basically means it has a larger chemical reserve to fight contamination and acidity as the oil ages. In plain English, it's built to survive longer. That's why Mobil 1 consistently performs so well in extended oil change intervals. Even after 10,000 miles, it often still has enough additive package left to continue protecting properly. Pennzoil performs well too, but its additive reserve usually drops faster during long intervals. And this is exactly why some mechanics swear by Mobil 1 for high-mileage commuting, road trips, towing, and turbo engines that constantly run hot. But Pennzoil counters with another advantage most drivers overlook completely. Volatility. In high heat testing, Pennzoil consistently evaporates less oil than Mobil 1. That means lower oil burnoff and sometimes less oil consumption between changes. If you drive a vehicle known for burning oil, especially certain turbocharged engines, this can actually become noticeable over time. Now here, where things get even more interesting. Cold starts. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum consistently flows slightly better in freezing temperatures thanks to its GTL base stock. The oil moves faster during startup, which is important because most engine wear happens in the first few seconds after ignition. Mobil 1 still performs extremely well in cold weather, but Pennzoil repeatedly shows a small edge in extreme temperature flow testing. And this perfectly sums up the entire comparison. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is engineered around durability, long drain protection, and resisting breakdown over time. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is engineered around cleanliness, temperature stability, and efficiency. Neither oil is bad. In fact, both are among the best full synthetics on the market. But they prioritize protection differently. If you regularly push long oil change intervals, drive hard, tow, or keep vehicles for very high mileage, Mobil 1 extended performance probably makes more sense. If you want ultra-clean operation, excellent cold flow, lower volatility, and strong protection in modern turbocharged engines, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum becomes extremely hard to ignore. And honestly, this is the part most people never realize. The best oil usually depends less on the bottle and more on how you actually drive your car. So now I want to hear from you. Which oil are you running right now, and have you actually noticed a difference over time?